Good evening and welcome. I'm John Full-James, the Director of the Humanities Cultural Programme, and it is a real pleasure to be welcoming you here this evening. The Humanities Cultural Programme exists for events exactly like this one, to invite artists and audiences to come together to engage with the diverse range of research and learning going on here at the university. We will eventually be based at the new Schwarzman Center. So while I will enjoy this event this evening in this extraordinary architecture, I will also be imagining what it would be to hear it in Oxford's first purpose-built concert hall when that arrives in a few years' time. Tonight's collaboration is a really good example of what the Humanities Cultural Programme is about, a collaboration between artist and academic, and a collaboration in which you now tonight play a crucial part. It's the culmination of John Fumoyejena's visiting fellowship here at the university. He's been with us over a period of months, which has seen performances and workshops in partnership also with the music faculty. So we're delighted that he is collaborating this evening with Judith Valerie Engel, concert pianist and historical musicologist who is undertaking a DPhil at Christ Church. John's practice is extraordinarily diverse. He is a musician, a composer, a theatre maker, an actor. And as I think you will feel tonight as you see his contemporary artistic practice, which is rooted in and inspired by Zimbabwean traditional music and Shona Mbira culture, you will see, I think, that he inspires everyone around him. I hope you enjoy the performance. Thank you.
Zvaonekwa varidzi vamasango tatenda nzou marigazvuru mukahuru maita murarandimire mune tsoka dzinotyaira pakufamba vatariri vamasango eho ganda eho muvi samanyanga Nzou, nzou, nzou. Vana vanogwara mdzimudzoka kwazwaitovera vana vanochema mdzimudzoka kwazwaichangamire vana vanogwara mdzimudzoka kwazwaitovera vana vanochema mdzimudzoka kwazwaichangamire oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh vana vanochema mdzimudzoka kwazwai changamire vana vanogwara mdzimudzoka kwazwai tovera vana vanochema mdzimudzoka kwazwai changamire oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah vana vanogwara mdzimudzoka kwazwai tovera vana vanochema mdzimudzoka kwazwai changamire vana vanogwara mdzimudzoka kwazwai tovera vana vanochema dzoka kwazwai hey oh yeah oh yeah 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 oh yeah yeah oh yeah 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 oh yeah oh yeah fukamai mwana mati simu yenyu zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika fukamai mwana mati zvamaizita makare zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika fukamai mwana mati simu yenyu zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika fukamai mwana mati zvamaizita makare zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika oh yeah yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah yeah oh oh yeah oh yeah yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah yeah fukamai mwana mati simu yenyu zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika fukamai mwana mati zvamaizita makare zvamunoda zvichaitika fukamai mwana mati simu yenyu hoi hoi fukamai mwana mati zvamaizita makare zvese zvamunoda zvichaitika vana vanochema dzoka kwazwai changamire vana vanogwara mdzimu dzoka kwazwai tohera vana vanochema dzoka kwazwai iye zvaonekwa varidzi vamasango tatenda nzou marigazvuru mukahuru, maita murarandimire, mune tsoka dzinotyakaira pakufamba, vatariri vamasango, eho ganda, eho muvi. Scitote vos in matriculum universitatis hodie relatos esse, et ad observandum omnia statuta istias universitatis quantum ad vos spectent tenere. Know that you are today added to the roll of the university and bound to obey all the statutes of this university so far as they apply to you. Know that today, on the 24th of November 2022, I hereby induct the Mbira as an official member of the university, having resided in the Pitt Rivers Museum unofficially for decades and decades, unrecognized, subject to research, subject to ogling, subject to othering, subject to the distance of a glass and an inappropriate naming, I do hereby officially matriculate the Mbira as part of the University of Oxford. Hear, hear. takangosimuka kubva kwedu Baba, tichingokumbira mutiraire Baba, takangosimuka tichisiya Baba, muri dzichirima dzichisakura Baba, izwi renyu ndiro kudana Baba, rakati yeuka tichifamba Baba, richiti tungamira munzira Baba, tondofara tichipembera Baba, tichakusvika kumakomoko Baba, tichandovimba nezita renyu Baba, tichakurangarira izuva nezuva, tichikumbira ruregerero Baba, rangarira vana venyu weiweiwo Baba, muzvese zvatoita zvatinobata Baba, rangarira vana venyu weiweiwo Baba, muzvese zvatoita zvatinobata Baba, tichasvika kumakomoko, 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 takangosimuka kubva kwedu Baba, tichingokumbira mutiraire Baba, takangosimuka tichisiya Baba, muri dzichirima dzichisakura Baba, izwi renyu ndiro kudana Baba, rakati yeuka tichifamba Baba, richiti tungamira munzira Baba, tondofara tichipembera Baba, tichakusvika kumakomoko Baba, tichandovimba nezita renyu Baba, tichakurangarira izuva nezuva, tichikumbira ruregerero Baba, rangarira vana venyu weiweiwo Baba, zvese zvatoita zvatinobata Baba, rangarira vana venyu weiweiwo Baba, zvese zvatoita zvatinobata Baba, werere aye, 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 takangosimuka kubva kwedu Baba, tichingokumbira mutiraire Baba, werere ahe werere ahe werere ahe werere werere You're gonna have a go. Wish me luck.
Are you sitting comfortably?
I think so.
Not too far away, not too high?
Okay. I feel like, is it like driving? Because you don't want to be too close to the steering.
Kind of, yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay.
So before you start to play, imagine the sound of the piece you're about to play.
Okay.
Imagine the tempo, and when you put your hands onto the keys and you start, you're only continuing from what has already been sounding in your mind.
Oh. That's complicated. Okay. Okay. It's already been playing.
Remember to breathe.
Way Hey, 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 hey. Why, ragadak, stay to ragadak, rap that to the ragadak, say to the tick, seven to ragadak, ragadak to suskidik, ragadak, oh, ragadak, sagapata, I want name of stars, name of stars. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Don't touch that child. He's a child of revolution. Don't touch that child. She's a child of restoration. She will restore.
Piano teachers. I come from legacy lines that can be traced back to Frédéric Chopin, Franz Liszt, and beyond. As pianists, we revere our teachers, at once as parents and deities. Their sentencing means life and death to us. It is the teacher who breathes anima into the budding musician. They pass on the scepter of devotional practice, devoid of any god, that lends meaning to life and gives your emotions direction and purpose. There's a fine line between the loving care of a great teacher and abusive tyrannies a la Jelinek. I have been lucky. All my piano teachers were the former kind. Kind, though they could be strict and terrifying with their Soviet educational methods. Yet, they were never unfair, if sparring with praise. There were some good things in your playing is as high a compliment as one could aspire to. But beware of letting self-doubt crush you. The mere fact that you're admitted to their piano class, the inner circle, the sanctum, is praise enough in and of itself, and it will tell people a lot about your playing without them ever actually hearing you. Also, never forget that for every one of you, there are several dozen other growing keyboard fanatics waiting to jump at the opportunity to take your spot. I was lucky with my piano teachers. The same is not true of all other people who defile the term pedagogue. True to their decades-old reputation, certain musical institutions that adorn themselves with famously classical names still attract predatory scum who pretend not to understand the difference between mentorship and assault. Nowadays, of course, no one would dare to deliberately misinterpret my trust. That is the benefit of being a black belt. I could and would obliterate them. Musicians are generally not very formidable opponents also. We are largely a very physically unfit people, which is strange since what we do is so deeply physical, undeniably also intellectual. But the cerebral side is performed as embodied knowledge through organic movement. But to each their own. At least there are an increasing number of job opportunities for physical therapists specializing in pianists, prolapse discs, flutists, neck traumas, violinists, tendonitis, and so on. Why do you play the piano? My teacher once asked. My approximately 10-year-old self answered that it gave me more ways to communicate with people, especially where I did not have the words to express myself. That was the wrong answer. The correct response is that in the end, regardless of musical and non-musical politics, and never think that they are not influencing our every move on stage, especially whether or not we're actually allowed to take that first step onto stage. We play the piano to bring joy to people.
Muchengete, Thank you for helping us disturb the city, disturb the tradition, create a memory. We tend to always want to study history. We never focus on making it. The answer is always, this is how things have always been done. Well, there are new ways in which things can be done from here onwards. The mbira, a migratory instrument, far much older than the piano, is described as being a thumb piano. Another word for a thumb piano. A thumb piano does not exist. If I can learn the name Tchaikovsky, you can learn the name mbira. Everyone repeat after me. Mbira. It does not come with a vowel before the M. In the same way you say the word music, it's the same way you begin the word mbira. Not with an imbira or mbira. You have perfect words that start with M in English, and yet somehow when it comes to this language, you add no. Mbira. Repeat after me. Mbira. Mbira. And if you Google how to pronounce mbira and you go to YouTube, it will be a white man describing to you how to pronounce this. I wish I was joking. I wish I was making this up. I always say, if there are any two countries on the planet that could have the strongest bond today, that is the United Kingdom and Zimbabwe. The greatest cultural bridges are waiting to be built. But we are in the place of gatekeeping. Music does not discriminate nor separate. People do. Zona muna Zambezi zonwa Zambezi. Mondoro zinonwa Zambezi. Oye mondoro zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Mondoro zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Mondoro zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Mondoro zinonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Ha! Zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Zonwa Zambezi. Zinonwa Zambezi. Hey! Zonwa Zambezi. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ha. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. And then I do hey, 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 I'm going to teach you this rhythm. It's simple. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it steady. 1, 2. Go on, apple.